Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to preview documents here in PandaDoc. The first up, let's just go ahead and create a blank document just for you to see. Now wait for the editor to pop up, okay? You can only view documents if the status is still on draft or finished, okay? So for example, right here, okay? I've loaded up a template. Now to view it or preview, go to the top right and click on this eye icon that says present, okay? Just click on it. Now go ahead and use the scroll wheel on your mouse. And there you have it, okay? As I've said earlier, another one is by going to your finalized documents right here. You'll also, as you can see here, it says completed, but you can also use the preview option right here or present. There you have it. That's how you preview documents here in PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.